Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your service light on this Audi Q2. If you found my content helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get into this. So with the ignition on, what you need to do is go over here to the scrolling tool here, and as you can see there's no menu on there at the moment. So literally if you press this menu button, you'll get all the options you need, as you can see there. And what we need is the car option, so we're going to scroll to the car option. So literally just rotate this cog to get to where you want to go, and then once you're there you just push it in like so, and then we're going to come over here and press this button to get more options. Press it like that, and literally then you're going to scroll with that same tool down to service, sin and checks, and then we're going to go to service intervals, and we're going to press enter on that scroll tool. You can see this is the button you need to scroll and also to press to confirm. And what we're going to do is press that button again, and yes, we want to confirm that. Press it again, and our service light has now been reset. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.